Hey guys, I have the same problem on my system. What you have to do, I will be doing in front of you to fix this issue. So in the first step, we have to just right click on the taskbar, then select task manager. Now on this window, we need to click on run new task. Then we have to select browse button. Go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. In the Windows folder, we have to find out system32 folder. Just again open system32 folder. Then in the system32 folder, we need to find out cmd.exe file. Scroll down and just select it and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command. So type this command carefully and simply press enter to execute this command. Type in msdt exe space -id space device diagnostic and hit enter. So this will show you what the actual problem is there in your system. Windows Online Troubleshooting service is disabled, so we have to enable this service. Now close this and then simply right click, go to search bar, then type your device manager and click here to open it. Now we need to open the mouse and other pointing devices. Just expand these and we need to open the particular drivers. Select drivers tab, then click on update driver. Now search automatically for drivers. We have to connect it with the internet connection. Then click here, the best drivers will be installed. Click on OK. Do the same for these all drivers. Now close this window and in the last step just right click here and again we need to search for control panel. Click here to open it. On this window, make sure you are selected the view by as the large icons. Then scroll down, click on mouse, and on this window we need to select the pointer options and we have to check this box, display pointer trails, and just make it to short. Again check this option, hide pointers while typing. Click on apply and then go to pointers tab and select the use default. Then click on apply and then OK. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.